All right, we are back here at Toyota of Merrillville with their not brand new at this point, it's been a couple years, the Ryko SoftGloss Maxx 5. This has been my most requested wash for a while. Got some service, so I got a wash code, so we'll go ahead and enter that now. 47939.
Four, 7, 9, 3, 9. The car wash is in.
And we'll wait while this person's going. We'll get ours. It's been a while since I've gotten a car wash. It's been a while since I've filmed. I have my Pixel 6. We'll be filming this, so you guys will have to let me know how that goes, how that looks. Usually, still haven't gotten back to my Panasonic Lumix yet. Just don't have the editing rig set up right now. That was a hard slam. But if you remember last time I was at this SoftGloss XS2, it was in pretty rough shape. It's bouncing all over, just moving very rough. It should be done here soon. So for perspective, this wash is free, but on the receipt it says it's valued at $9.75. I really don't think that's the case. But this person should be getting their dryers soon as they're getting a rinse. And then it'll be us. You know, I still think Ryko took a huge step back with the looks on the Maxx 5. It just looks cheap. It looks very cheap. Those stop, go, back up signs, yep, they're getting their dryers. It's just cheap looking. But as they get their dryers, we'll get ready to roll in. See how dirty my back windshield is there. And they're rolling, they got the go ahead. So we will let this reset. And once I get my go ahead, we'll go. I've got my green. Still no undercarriage wash. So instead of wheel scrubbers, they've got blasters on the side here. Got the stop, here we go. Start with pre-soak. It didn't really get the top of the vehicle at all, pretty poor coating. It's a hopping car wash today. It did get the back pretty well, so that's good. And here we go with the touch cycle. Oh, the good old Ryko pummeling. It's been a while. This thing moves quick. See, it gets the front there. Front arms have, this thing is quite the pummeler. The front arms have retracted. We should get our big top brush here. Yep, there we go. And here we go with the second round of the soft touch cycle. And man, this thing is moving quick, and this top brush is bouncing all over. And so is the side brush. You know, I don't understand. Okay, the back brushes just did their thing. They're coming back forward to do another pass on the back. And now the top brush should drop down again. Maybe. No, we're coming forward again. This time with the left brush. There we go. Top brush has come back down, and it's going to make its way all the way to the back. And now we should get a rinse. of something. Now we're getting another rinse. They did keep that old style signage in there. Network terminal box. SoftGloss Maxx, and we're getting our dryers. "112 seconds of drying time from when the dryers kick on. By the time we get the green, we're looking at..." Oh, that's just a minute. Ha! So, 60 seconds drying time. There's all the equipment. These dryers have never really done a good job. Doesn't seem like that's changed. It's a good thing they replaced the system though, it was long overdue. So that person's probably going to be making their way in soon. Still got 12 seconds left and I haven't even started getting the back. That's it. That's all. Sure. Well, the dryers stay on, so that timer's inaccurate. But that's it. That's all she wrote here at Toyota of Merrillville. Their newer SoftGloss Maxx 5. Thank you for watching.